So now the final exercise, I created a spiral because I noticed that after the circle, the square, the triangle, and then the zigzag back and forth, they lost the memory of the curve. So in order for them to never to forget what to do when they saw a circle or a curve, I added the spiral. So you're going to start here, then backstitch. And again, there's nothing straight about this one. I'm going to backstitch. And this, as you can see, it's going to be, if you watch the circle video, I'm not going to do all of this on this video because it's going to take too long. But again, this is a very simple thing. This is not the pedal. This is all done by hand, step by step, little by little, all the way around until you get to the final end. And as you can see, it's going to get shorter and shorter. As soon as you get here, you just backstitch. And that's it for the spiral. So after that, we're going to be moving on to all the other lessons, technical sketches. So continue to watch the free workshops, and you're on your way. As soon as you learn how to all do this, you'll be able to do so anything that we will design together. Looking forward to seeing you soon. Ciao.
Wow, I want to be a designer.
Mm-hmm.
I like designing things.
You like creating, huh?
Yeah, I'm a creator. I design like all my clothes. I feel like when I wake up, the clothes that I put together just now, it's a simple design, but I want to go more deep into it.
Mm-hmm. So you feel it, that you're meant to be doing something that has to do with clothing.
Yeah, definitely.
So I think it's time to bring a whole new wardrobe to the board. Men have been so stuck to the same things.
Mm-hmm.
But you think it's time for them to they're striving and wishing they had something more creative to wear.
Yeah.
You know,
I just think people need to be more creative.
Mm-hmm. And show who they really are.
Mm-hmm.
That's why there's so many different types of designers, because there are people out there that really want to wear that type of design.
You gotta create it.
So it's funny how you found me, huh? Just walking around. Asking to be a designer and mowing mold.
Yeah.
So how's that circle? Isn't this easy?
It is getting easier.
See, it's getting easier. See? And the more you learn, the easier it's going to get, and you're going to be able to do. Once you finish these exercises, there's nothing that you can't sew. You know that? I put it all into one.